Hey foodies, wagwan, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making an oatmeal bread at home. Let's go over the ingredients. So we're gonna start off by combining some rolled oats in a bowl, and we're adding in some hot milk. Next thing we're gonna be adding in some brown sugar. We're gonna let that dissolve a bit. Then we're adding in our melted butter. Then we're gonna be stirring in our flour, and that's all-purpose flour, of course. Then we're gonna be adding some yeast, a pinch of salt, some baking powder for extra reasoning, and then we're gonna combine everything to start the kneading process. We're starting it off with a wooden spoon. Then we're gonna transfer it onto a clean surface. Make sure that it's lightly dusted, of course. We're gonna be adding some more flour so that our hands does not get sticky. Transfer it onto the surface. Now let's start the doughing process. So we're gonna need this for about 7 minutes. This is gonna be a hard dough bread. We're gonna let this raise. We're gonna place it into a bowl that we already add some grease to so that it doesn't stick. And then we're gonna cover it. If you don't have a clean towel, you can always use a saran wrap and cover this in a warm place and allow it to raise. Now we're gonna roll it back over again. We're gonna form our bread. You can see that it's very soft. We're gonna fold it. We're gonna place it into a grease baking pan and allow this to rise again, and depending on how soft we want it, we can allow it to rise as much as we want it. So the longer we let it rise, it's the softer it's going to become. So we're going to let this rise until it gets to the top of the pan, and we're going to bake it. Before we do that, we're going to add some melted butter. The melted butter is going to add additional flavor. I'm going to be sprinkling some oats onto this. Oh my god, it's going to be so great. So I'm going to show you how I enjoy this bread. So I'm gonna let it raise, and I'm gonna bake it for 35 minutes at 365 degrees Fahrenheit or until golden brown. So this is what the finished product looks like, and I actually had this for breakfast the next day. I took a slice and I fried an egg and had some coffee. Remember to like, share and subscribe. I'm Alex the Feel Good Chef. I'm out.